My dear son, reading lesson number 1.
Lesson number 1.
Mufradat.
Mufradat.
Mufradat means
One word.
good job. So read it. What is this?
Jim.
Louder.
Jim.
Good job. This one.
Sa.
Very good. This one.
Alef.
Shabash. This one.
Ba.
Louder.
Ba.
Shabash. This one.
Da.
Very good. This one.
Da.
Louder.
Da.
Shabash. This one.
Jim.
More one time.
Jim.
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 This one.
Ha. Ha.
More one time.
Ha.
Ha.
Ha. Ha.
This one.
Ha.
Again. Again, Rahim. What is this?
Ho.
Kho.
Ho.
Good. This one. What is this, Rahim?
Dal.
Yes. Again. One time more.
Dal.
Shabash. Very good. And this one, this yellow.
Dal.
No. Focus. What is this?
Dal.
Zal.
Dal.
Again. Zal.
Dal.
Very good. Shabash. Good job. This one. What is this, Rahim?
Dal.
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 This last one then should be Rahim. What is this?
Sa.
Zal.
Sal.
Shabash. Very good again.
Sal.
Shabash. This green, Rahim. This green.
Wow.
Shabash. Very good. Raw.
Wow.
Shabash. And this black, one dot in the top.
I don't know.
No, it's very, 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 very easy. It is za, like zoom. Za.
Sa.
Yes, full Z sound, okay? Hard sound. Yes.
Like and a dog.
You know how you pronounce Z? Z?
Yeah.
Za.
Sal.
No. Z, z, z. Z. With your teeth. Za.
Sa.
Yes. Za.
Sa.
Again. Za.
Sa.
Good job. More one time. Read it. This one.
Ba.
Louder. This one.
Let me give you some water. Are you tired?
Yes,
Mhm.
Rahim.
For the West now.
Just take one sip of water, finish your lesson, and then we can rest. You know?
Okay.
Take a sip of
And
water.
then we have a movie.
Yeah, we'll have a movie, but you have to finish your lesson. Okay?
जब पानी पी लेते हैं then अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes. Use what after use water. Okay. Good.
Mm.
So what is this, Rahim? Okay. And this black. What is this?
Sa.
Okay. And this black.
G.
Okay. And this one, line number 2, first letter.
Ha. Ha. Ha.
Okay. And this green, line number 2, second letter.
Ho. Ho. Ho.
Wow, very good. Okay. So this one.
Dal.
Okay. And this yellow.
Sal.
Dal.
Lal.
Okay. And this green.
Wa.
Okay. And this black. Za. Za. Yes.
Da.
Very good. More one time. Za.
Da.
शाबाश. Very good. माशाल्लाह आपने बहुत अच्छा लेसन पढ़ा. Good job.